Good day. My name is WIBAWA. I'm a neuropsychiatry and research fellow at the Royal Melbourne Hospital, Australia. Today I'm presenting our MRI study of the hippocampal subfields in Huntington disease. Our study was preceded by a substantial body of report revealing hippocampal dysfunction in the early Huntington disease stages as well as in premotor stages, both in human and in animal models. Despite expensive reports on hippocampal dysfunction in early HD, evidence for whole hippocampal atrophy remains variable. Hence, we pose the question whether atrophy only affects subregions of the hippocampus, particularly in the early stages of HD. In our IMAGE HD cohort, we had 112 participants consisting of healthy controls, pre-symptomatic Huntington disease individuals, and symptomatic individuals. We were able to scan them across 3 time points using 3 Tesla scanners. In our results, when comparing the volume of the hippocampal subfields between groups, the symptomatic groups had a significantly lower hippocampal subfield volumes, particularly in the tail and the deeper regions of the hippocampus and in the subicular region of the hippocampus when compared to the other groups. When comparing the longitudinal rate of volume loss in the individual subfields, there were no group differences. However, our principal component analysis showed clustering of the subfields and further showed that at the symptomatic stages, there were accelerated loss of volume in the perforant pathway subfields, or the afferent of the hippocampus. Furthermore, the presubiculum, molecular layer, and the tail showed the greatest correlation with artificial facial brain region and the clinical variables. Our findings suggest that volumetric analysis of the hippocampal subfields may be a marker for memory impairment and disease severity in early Huntington disease. Finally, we'd like to thank our supporters, GHDI Foundation and NHMRC Australia, as well as the participant in this study. Thank you.